Ah, nuts. You've just thrown a bird's nest. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a bird's nest on a baitcaster in a very simple way. Find the knot, put your thumb on the spool, drag your fingernail across the knots as you're pulling this out. That'll straighten the knots out. And there you go. Keep your thumb or your fingernail on the line as you're pulling it out. That'll smooth out the knots. Try to loosen up what you can, but don't knot it even more. Use that thumb to smooth out the line. And there you go. It really is that simple. You don't have to cuss, you don't have to cut line out and waste a lot of money. It's just that simple. Use your thumb on the spool like your thumbnail and drag those knots past your thumbnail. That will clear them up and you will get that bird's nest clear. Thanks for watching. If you thought this was helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, crush that thumbs up button, and turn on those bell notifications so the next time I post a video, you see it first.